Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English online class. We are seeing the lesson Sea Turtles. Before two classes, we seen type of turtles and how they live in the ocean. In the second section, we see one particular turtle and its lifetime. Today, we are going to see the connectivity of past two section. This is the last section, third section. Okay, let's start our new section, today's class. Okay. Many of these tiny hatchlings. Hatchling means young one, very small one. Okay, which weigh less than 20 grams each, will not even reach the sea. The little one weight is 20 gram. Each one is, they will not reach the sea. Till now they reach the sea. They will fall prey to crabs or birds even before they reach the water. Most of those that do make it into the water will also be eaten by many predators in the sea within the first few days of their life. Somewhat they enter into the sea, sometimes they fall prey. Prey means attack from crab or bats for before reaching water. Most of those safe and close to the water will be some predator, big animals, or one animal eat their another animal for their food. Okay, within the first few days of their life. In fact, the scientist estimates that only one in every 1,000 hatchlings became an adult. One of the scientists estimate the hatchlings around 1,000 hatchlings became an adult. Adult means engaged, teenage, like that. It is perhaps to ensure that enough hatchlings survey to keep the species going that sea turtles lay so many eggs. It's perhaps enough hatchlings survey means live to keep this species going that lay so many eggs. Okay, after many years of swimming in the open ocean, after so many years swim in the open ocean, the female hatchlings that have became adult. The small female one became an adult stage. They return to the same beach. They return to the where they born. Return to the same beach where they born, in the same place. They come there to lay their own eggs. The little one became an adult and returned to the place where they born, and they lay their eggs. Come and they lay their eggs. Okay, how they managed to find the place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mystery of these fantasy reptiles. So many years gone, the little one to became an adult. Lot of years gone, passed away. Okay, but now the adult one find the place after the so many years in the seashore and many mystery of these fantasy reptiles. Okay, sea turtles are among the many wonderful creatures. Sea turtles are very wonderful creatures from God. Okay, we share this planet with they have survived natural dangers from millions of years. So many years past, survey connected with nature, live with dangers of millions of years because, but sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in grave danger. Human activities for the past 10 years, decay means 10 years, okay, put them, the dangerous things gave to them and their life. Okay, there are many factors that threaten their survival. So many factors threaten means catch their survival. Survival means connect to live. Okay, people hunt them for their meat or collect their eggs. People do hunt. Hunt means kill or attack them for meat or collect their eggs. Okay, sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nest of motor boats. Sometimes the motor boats are attacked or accidentally spoil their life. Problem like pollution, dumping of plastic into the ocean. The most problem is pollution, dumping plastic into this ocean, and construction activities. Construction activities on nesting beaches. Nesting means occupying the place one who lived. Okay, also had their survival. Only by systematically tackling this problem, tackling means overcome the problem and remove their threats. Threats means measure. We ensure that sea turtle will continue to exist in the years to come. They overcome this problem and they continue their live in the ocean and exist from lots of years come back. Survive, connective to live, mysteries, facts that are difficult to understand, fascinating, attracting greatly, decade, a period of 10 years.